Greetings, Dan Daniels here. I'm experiencing some weirdness in vscode 1.6. I'm copying this. Actually, let me just go ahead and see if I can copy it. Right click, Control C, copy, and then if I do a Control H, I should be able to paste in that element, but it doesn't work with Control V. It does work with right click, which is not super desirable. Um, again, Control C, and I try to paste it in there. Control V does not work in the find and replace. Maybe I need to save it before I do that. Let me save. No. Control C. Paste does not work. If I Control C and then right click, let's delete that. Right click, paste, Control V. That works. So that is a Control C, Control V apparently does not work with 1.6 in find and replace. Control H, find replace. Thank you for watching and happy computing.